Good morning, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and Mark and I are leaving Alabama this morning, headed to Mississippi to visit with Mark's friend, Mr. Joey, and Miss Mary, the little granddaughter. I think she's a little lady now, though. It's been, what, 5 years since we've seen them?
Yep.
Yeah. And I believe the other one is Elena. But anyway, Joey and Sherry, and Joey's very excited to see Mark again.
And Mark's excited to see Joey as well.
Sorry, what was that, Mark?
I said, and Mark is excited to see Joey as well.
Wonderful. Okay. So, here we are on the road again, and we'll get back to you later. Talk to you later. Bye. Well, we arrived in Mississippi, and we stopped off at one of the rest places that they had there, a rest place and information center, and it turns out that the security guard and Mark were chatting up a storm the whole time we were there while I was wandering around. I think they must have spoke for 20 minutes, sharing thoughts and ideas and perspectives, and they're both fishermen, and yes, they had a good old time. And here I thought this was one of the loveliest rest stops I've ever seen, and of course Elvis is front and center, being one of the one of the highlights of Mississippi is the birthplace of Elvis. And for those of you worried about my wrist, it wasn't really a big deal. I had a little bit of a sprain in my wrist. I don't know what I did. I probably slept on it wrong, but I thought I would immobilize it a bit because it was painful, and I'm all better now, but it just needed a bit of just wrapping and, keeping it from being moved about too much. And yes, it's all better now. Not really a big deal. We finally did arrive at our friend's home, and I was given a tour. They are building a brand new house for the mom on the same property so that she is close by, and that's been quite a chore for Joey. And Sherry has a brand new brood of chickens and ducks. She's got quite a few other animals there, but the chickens and the ducks are probably one of her newly acquired animals. And these are just the first batch. She does have a second batch of baby chickens in the house. I think she has about 9 of them, but they're just tiny, tiny, tiny. So they're inside. And these ones go out for the day. They're approximately 4 weeks old. And there's a mixture of chickens and ducks there. So.
Come on, quit trying to hide.
Oh, maybe no, I didn't.
And see, they're just now getting their tail feathers to come in. See how?
Yeah. Yeah, I think you're going to need a little bit bigger chicken coop than what you got.
Yeah. Well, I think the coop would be okay. I may just get a second one and build like a run between both of them, and they
Right.
can go in either one. And see, they just started noticing that they started getting this little cone last week.
Oh, okay, so that's a male? Or is it not?
No, it's,
No, the females
this
will get the
female,
cone too.
they'll get the cone right there.
You still
And see,
don't know.
the male has. The
Can you-
male will have a cone, something that comes on the top of their head right there.
And you don't know which is which at this size?
All of these are female.
Wonderful. That's what
I
you
don't know
wanted.
what the ducks are.
Yeah. Cool. Well, we spent a few hours chatting around the house, and children all showed up, and grandchildren all showed up, and everyone was happy to see each other again, and had a good time there, and then decided eventually to go out for dinner. Well, the four of us went out for dinner, and left everyone else at home, and so we had a lovely time reminiscing over dinner about all the past times together, of course, and we hope to stay here for a few more days. Not on any timetable, except that we have to be back by a certain time. So that's it for now. They're a little bit camera shy and don't want to be on camera, and I can't blame them for that. I know how that feels, so I'm just going to have to say goodbye for all of us, and I hope you enjoyed this little video, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.